Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete photos from Krea AI. In order to do so, first off you want to make sure that you're logged in at Krea.ai, and when you are, you should see a screen similar to this, and what you're looking for is under Assets. If you look in the top menu here, you'll see the tab called Assets. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And here you can see all of the different images that I have generated. And what we're looking for is if you click on any of the images, then you will see down at the bottom right hand corner, you'll see where it says delete. We're going to go ahead and just click delete on that, and you'll see that it will ask you if you want to delete the asset. Yes, delete forever. And then it will be removed from your assets. We'll just go ahead and click on the refresh page there real quick, and you'll see that it is now gone. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.